How do you envision your retirement years? Relaxing on a beach, traveling the world, or simply enjoying your hobbies? Now, imagine turning that vision into a reality. It all starts with retirement planning. You might think retirement is a distant concern, but it's never too early to begin. We'll explore retirement accounts and why they're crucial to securing your financial future. You see, a comfortable retirement isn't a matter of luck, it's a matter of planning. Remember, the key to a worry-free retirement is planning ahead, so let's dive in. Now you might wonder, what are IRAs and 401ks? Well, they are not as complicated as they sound. Picture your retirement savings as a large pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. This pot is filled with contributions from your hard-earned money, and it grows over time. Individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, and 401ks are two types of pots that can help you accumulate this wealth. Let's start with IRAs. An IRA is a retirement savings account you open on your own, separate from your employer. There are two main types, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax dollars, meaning your contributions can lower your taxable income. However, you'll pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. On the other hand, a Roth IRA is funded with after-tax dollars. While you don't get a tax break on contributions, your withdrawals in retirement are generally tax-free. Now let's talk about 401ks. Unlike an IRA, a 401k is a retirement plan offered by your employer. You contribute pre-tax dollars from your paycheck, which can lower your taxable income just like a traditional IRA. However, a key advantage of a 401k is the potential for employer matching. For example, if you contribute 3% of your salary, your employer might match that, effectively doubling your contribution. But how do you choose between an IRA and a 401k? Well, it's not always an either-or decision. Many people contribute to both types of accounts to maximize their savings. The best choice for you depends on your income, your tax situation, and whether your employer offers a 401k match. Remember, the earlier you start contributing to these accounts, the more time your money has to grow. And the more it grows, the more comfortable your retirement years can be. So now that you've got a basic understanding of IRAs and 401ks, you're one step closer to securing your retirement. Now let's move on to the fun part, setting your retirement goals. Imagine your dream retirement. Is it lounging on a beach, traveling the world, or maybe even starting a small business? Whatever it is, it's important to set meaningful goals based on your lifestyle aspirations. This is the first crucial step in crafting your retirement plan. The next step is to figure out how much money you'll need to make those dreams a reality. Remember, retirement isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. You have to factor in your personal needs and wants, which could range from healthcare expenses to travel budgets. Now, on to strategies. One of the most effective ways to save for retirement is to start early. The power of compound interest means the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Another strategy is to maximize your employer match. If your employer offers a retirement match, they're basically offering you free money. Don't leave it on the table. Diversifying your investments is another key strategy. This helps to spread out risk and can lead to higher returns over the long haul. Lastly, always keep track of your progress. Regularly review your retirement goals and strategies to ensure they are still aligned with your lifestyle aspirations. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so start planning your retirement today. So far, we've learned about retirement accounts and strategies, but what's next? Well, the next step is action. The knowledge you've gained from this video is powerful, but it's only as good as what you do with it. Remember, the early bird catches the worm. The sooner you start planning, the more secure your retirement will be. Retirement is not just about stopping work, it's about embracing a new chapter of life. A chapter where you have the freedom to do what you love, without the worry of financial constraints. So, make it count. Start by setting your retirement goals, choosing the right retirement account, and establishing a savings strategy that suits you. And remember, consistency is key. Regular savings, no matter how small, can grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Start shaping your retirement now, and make your golden years truly golden, because the future belongs to those who prepare for it today.